Il faut le vivre.
Ça revient déjà, ça va.
Chers serviteurs et servantes de l'Éternel, shalom, 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 et bon dimanche à tout le peuple de Dieu. Vraiment, c'est toujours la servante de l'Éternel, la journaliste Vicky Bouy. Je suis venue vraiment annoncer cette très belle nouvelle à tous les enfants partout dans le monde entier où vous êtes. Venez nous rejoindre à cette émission classique Gospel Kid Talent. C'est une émission des enfants, une émission qui est en train de bénir les enfants. Les enfants sont en train d'expérimenter, de célébrer Dieu à travers leur voix, donc d'expérimenter les talents qui sont en eux vraiment. J'invite tous nos parents de pouvoir nous envoyer vos enfants à pouvoir nous rejoindre à cette émission classique Gospel Kid Talent. Every Sunday, chaque dimanche, abonnez-vous. Mensuellement sur notre chaîne YouTube pour ne pas manquer la prochaine vidéo. Vraiment, je vous aime beaucoup. Aujourd'hui, je vais encore présenter un par un. I'm gonna call each and everyone. They will come on the stage. I was starting by Blessing. She's a beautiful daughter. She got 6 years old. Blessing, can you please come forward? Blessing. Hello, Blessing. Speak louder. Speak.
And thank you to watch our video.
How old are you, Blessing?
I'm 7 years old.
You are 7 years old. Can you please just tell people to subscribe to your YouTube channel to have your video? Subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our video.
And I'm 7 years old. Thank you for watching the show.
Thank you so much. Now I'm going to call Noella, you are mother. Come on the stage. Just present yourself, Noella. She's going to present herself on the stage. Speak
Hello
loud.
everybody, my name is Noella Mbedi. I'm 10 years old. I'm so happy for you. I hope you listen to every music on Sunday. Welcome to the Kids Talent, the classic Kids Talent show from Bui. Thank you everybody.
Thank you so much. Now we're going to call the following one. Her name is Miradi. She's going to present her song.
Hello everybody, thank you for enjoying today's song and I wish you can enjoy it more and happy Sunday. Every day we're going to sing because we enjoy the songs. And bye.
How
My
old are
name
you,
is Miradi. I'm 11 years old. My name is Veronique.
Thank you so much, Miradi. Veronica, I'm going to call Orphanel on the stage.
8 years old, and I hope you guys have a good day, happy Sunday. I would like to invite you to Jack City Church.
Orphanel, can you please greet your mom and your dad when they are connected? Greet your mommy and your dad.
Hello, mommy. Hello, daddy.
What is the name of your father, Orphanel?
Pastor DJ.
Watch the camera, don't watch me.
Pastor DJ.
Mama who?
Brunette.
Mama Brunette, clap your hand for yourself. Now I'm gonna receive a boy. His name is Le Petit Michael. Once Le Petit Michael is coming here, clap your hand for himself. Can you please take out your mask, please, guys? Le Petit Michael, just present yourself.
Good evening, everyone. How are you guys doing? My name is Mike. I'm 12 years old, and can you guys please come join us in Measure Faithful City Church? There's the poster, and I'm 12 years old. Can you please subscribe to my YouTube channel?
Thank you so much, Le Petit Michael. Now I'm gonna receive Precious. Precious is the leader of today. Wow! Congratulations, Precious. Give me 5. I was the service of today. How did you lead? How did you manage it, Precious? You just manage it, you don't know how it comes. Wow, Precious has got a beautiful voice and talent. She was like leading all the kids today. So wow, Precious. Just present yourself to people so the name.
Hello everybody, my name is Precious and I'm 11 years old. My surname is Nzao and I hope that you subtract the videos and you share the videos and I hope that you enjoy what we do every Sunday.
Thank you so much, Precious. Just clap your hand for yourself and for all your kid talent show. what are you gonna tell to the people, other kids, those that are not joining you guys? What are you gonna tell them?
That I hope that you enjoying us and you come and have fun with us.
Thank you so much, Precious. Now I'm gonna receive someone left. Rosalie. Now I'm gonna receive a ball. Your name is Rosalie. When Rosalie is coming further, you will present himself.
Hello guys, my name is
Speak louder.
Hello guys, my name is Rosie. I'm 9 years old. I hope you subscribe. And my mommy's name is Mama Brinette and my daddy's name is Fasha Dudu. Please, all of the mommies and daddies over there, bring more kids to us to see with us.
Watch the camera. Watch the camera. How was the service of today, Rosie?
Nice.
How did you guys sing today? Now I'm gonna call all the teams once they're coming further. I'm gonna invite Ephraim. Ephraim, come further with everyone. Today is the Ephraim birthday. So all of us, we're gonna sing happy birthday to Ephraim. But I will let you guys, all kids, classic gospel kid talents, welcome to this beautiful kid show talent. We're gonna celebrate 5 years birthday of Ephraim. All of us we're gonna sing and just give him a surprise of songs. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Ephraim. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? Hug him, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ephraim. Guys, come and hug him. Happy birthday, Ephraim. Happy birthday, Ephraim. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Give me a hug, Ephraim. Happy birthday, my boy. Happy birthday. We're going to tell people, say people, see you next Sunday.
See you next Sunday.
Classic gospel music kid talent show.
Classic gospel music talent show.
Thank you so much everyone. We are at the end of our presentations of my beautiful team, Classic Gospel Music Talent Kid with journalist Vicky. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to share this beautiful video. Our parents, we are waiting for you. Please bring us more kids for the glory of God. See you next Sunday. Ciao! Bye-bye. Bye-bye.